Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video newsletter, I wanted to kick things off here with the cash index of the dollar, right? So there are a lot of different ways of viewing the currency markets, but here through this cash index I think is very valid, and I think it shows us what we are setting up for. So I'm not going to look at this and tell you, oh, it's a perfect time to short the dollar, because we can see that it's, right here kind of at fresh lows, right? So it's not necessarily a great spot to be short. All the same, I believe it is going lower. So when I look at ideas like that, I will often tell traders, I want to be bearish and I would like to sell it at the 21 EMA. Right now we have the 21 EMA about 99.31. So, as you view these videos and say, okay, I can see your point of view, but how much leniency do you give it, right? Like, how much do we allow this thing to continue to sell off before changing the opinion, right? And a big part of that is the reversion to the mean. So as long as we can stay under the 21 EMA, I think that the dollar will stay under pressure. And inside that, you can look for spots to buy the euro, right? So if you're looking for just a futures contract type of trade, again, it's not on sale. There's no big discount here. We just have to realize that as long as the dollar keeps moving lower, the euro will keep moving up. And then what are the implications of that from there? Well, one that we can look at most directly is gold, right? So in gold, you see that relationship to the 21 EMA? That is traders picking that up at the mean price. And something that, I think is very obvious to say gold is going to a new lifetime high. I don't know when, and I don't know in exactly what pattern, but I think this looks very good for bullish prices, and therefore I'm long the euro, long gold, short the dollar, and I think that's where we want to keep our focus over the course of the next several weeks. Over the next couple of weeks, we have a lot of unique things, right? Because we have the essentially, let's see here, go over to Forex Factory. If we get this to our calendar, we've got this out into the end of the week. So basically just saying that we've got a lot that could be out there. You've got a lot of things that could happen, but I have an opinion that we're going to move in a very certain direction. And again, I'll be covering that more in the premium video. So I hope it helps. You guys buy some gold. Let me know how it works out. And I will see you at the next members video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.